Definite and indefinite articles are essential in English. The definite article the refers to specific nouns, like the book on the table, indicating a particular book. In contrast, indefinite articles a and an refer to nonspecific nouns. Use a before consonant sounds like a cat and an before vowel sounds like an apple. Now here's where it gets interesting. The letter U. When it sounds like U, we use a as in a university. But when it sounds like we use an as in an umbrella. Remember, we don't use articles with plural nouns or uncountable nouns when speaking generally, like dogs are friendly or water is essential. Understanding these rules will help you communicate more clearly in English.